Multiplying functions. We have here three functions, which are f of x is equal to 5x squared, g of x is equal to 7x minus 9, h of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 8. Paano ba mag-multiply ng functions? Halimbawa, we have to multiply f and g of x. F times g of x, this is the same with f of x times g of x. So, f of x and g of x. To solve for this, kailangan lang nating i-substitute gamit yung mga given na functions. So, for f of x, that is equal to 5x squared. So, let's just write 5x squared times, that's the operation, g of x, that is equal to 7x minus 9. Let's write 7x minus 9. And close natin sa parentheses kasi magkasama tong dalawang terms na to. Actually, kahit burahin na natin yung operation dito. Kapag nakaseparate siya using parentheses, multiplication yung kanyang operation. Now, to multiply 5x squared to this binomial 7x minus 9, i-distribute lang natin siya sa bawat term. Una, 5x squared times 7x muna, yung first term lang. So, 5x squared times 7x. Multiply their numerical coefficient, 5 times 7, that is equal to 35. Then, for their variable x squared and x, pagsamahin lang natin sila, dalawang x at isang x magiging x cubed. Then, after that, doon naman sa pangalawang term, which is negative 9. So, we'll have 5x squared times negative 9. 5 times negative 9, since may isang negative sign, negative yung answer natin. 5 times 9 is 45. Then, just copy the variable x squared, kasi wala namang variable na kasama yung 9. Copy x squared. At ito na yung sagot. So, that is the answer for f times g of x. Mag-try pa tayo ng iba. Halimbawa, we have f times h of x. This is the same with f of x times h of x. To solve for this, substitute lang f of x, that's equal to 5x squared. So, 5x squared times h of x. So, pag nag-multiply tayo, pwede na natin hindi ilagay itong operation nito, gamitan na lang natin ng parentheses, yung h of x. H of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 8. So, x squared plus 2x plus 8. Then, multiply them. Ganun pa rin. You have to distribute 5x squared to each term inside the parentheses. Magsimula tayo sa first term. Dito muna sa 5x squared times x squared. For 5, copy lang natin. Wala namang numerical coefficient itong x squared. So, let's write 5. Then, for the variable x squared and x squared, pag pinagsama natin, magiging x raised to 4. Kasi 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then, after that, dito naman sa pangalawang term. So, 5x squared pa rin times 2x. Numerical coefficient is 5 and 2. 5 times 2, that is positive 10. For the variable x squared and x, pag pinagsama, magiging x cubed. And sa last term naman, so multiply natin yung 5x squared sa positive 8. 5 times 8, that is positive 40. Then, copy lang natin yung variable dahil wala namang kasamang variable yung 8. So, copy x squared. So, f times h of x is equal to 5x raised to 4 plus 10x cubed plus 40x squared. Dito, nag-iba na yung set ng functions natin. So, f of x is now equal to 7x plus 3, g of x is 2x minus 5, and h of x is x squared plus 3x plus 8. Let's solve for f times g of x. Remember that this is the same with f of x times g of x. Let's substitute. F of x is 7x plus 3. So, 7x plus 3. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis kasi binomial siya. Then, g of x is equal to 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Pwede natin hindi ilagay itong operation na to kasi separated naman sila using parentheses. And it means multiplication. Now, since meron tayo ditong dalawang binomials, pwede natin gamitin yung FOIL method. Or, isa-isahin lang natin. Magsimula tayo sa 7x, multiply natin sa dalawang term sa binomial. After that, dito naman sa 3, multiply din natin sa dalawang binomial. Ganon din yon, no? Pares lang yun ng FOIL method. Try natin. Dito muna tayo sa 7x. Multiply natin yung 7x sa 2x and also sa negative 5. So, 7x times 2x, 7 times 2, that's 14. Then x and another x magiging x squared. Then after that, 7x times negative 5 naman. 7x times negative 5, since negative yung isa, magiging negative 35. Copy the variable x. So we're done with 7x. Na-multiply na natin sa parehas na 2x at sa negative 5. Dito naman tayo sa positive 3. So positive 3, multiply natin sa 2x, pati na rin sa negative 5. 3 times 2x, that will be 3 times 2 is 6. Copy the variable x. Then for last term, we have 3 times negative 5. Different sign, so your answer must be negative. And 3 times 5 is 15. So na-multiply na natin tong dalawang binomials. Pwede na natin silang i-simplify by combining like terms. Copy lang yung 14x squared. Then, negative 35x and positive 6x, they are like terms. Combine natin sila. Since different yung sign, kailangan nyo mag-subtract. Then, copy the sign from the larger absolute value. Mas malaki yung 35 at negative siya, it means negative din yung answer. Then, subtract. 35 minus 6, that is 29. Copy the variable x. Then, after that, yung constant na nasa dulo, kopyahin lang natin yung negative 15. And this is already the final answer. 14x squared minus 29x minus 15. Paano naman kapag f times h of x? This is the same with f of x times h of x. Substitute lang natin. F of x is equal to 7x plus 3. 7x plus 3. Then, h of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 8. Medyo mahaba siya, no? Copy lang natin, x squared plus 3x plus 8. To multiply a binomial by the trinomial, isa-isahin natin yung term. So, dito muna tayo sa 7x. Itong 7x, kailangan natin siyang i-multiply sa bawat term. Sa x squared, sa 3x, at sa positive 8. Simulan natin sa first term. So, 7x and x squared. 7, copy lang natin. Then, x and x squared, pag pinagsama, magiging x cubed. Next term. So, 7x pa rin, pero this time sa 3x naman. 7x times 3x. 7 times 3, that is positive 21. Then, for their variable x and another x, so x times x, that is x squared. Meron pang isang term, 7x times 8 naman. 7x times 8. So, 7 times 8 is 56. Copy the variable x. Okay, we're done with 7. Na-multiply na natin siya sa x squared, sa 3x, at sa 8. Doon naman tayo sa 3. So, sa positive 3, multiply din natin sa x squared, sa 3x, at sa 8. Dito muna tayo, 3 times x squared. So, that will just be 3x squared. Then, sa second term, 3 times 3x. 3 times 3 is positive 9. Copy the variable x. Last terms, 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Let's write positive 24. Now, pagsamasmahin natin yung like terms. 7x cubed. Wala namang ibang x cubed, so wala siyang kapartner. Pwedeng isulat na natin dito, 7x cubed. Cancel natin para hindi tayo malito. Next, x squared. So this 21x squared can be combined with positive 3x squared. 21 plus 3, that is 24. Then copy the variable x squared. After that, meron tayong variable x, 56 and 9. Pares naman positive, add lang natin. 56 plus 9, that is equal to 65. Then copy the variable x. And for the constant, wala siyang kapartner, copy lang natin yung positive 24. So the answer is 7x cubed plus 24x squared plus 65x plus 24. That is the answer for f times h of x.